Do you want to know how you can make an extra $2,787 per month from the comfort of your own home? It's no secret that selling digital products is one of the easiest side hustles out there. And today I'm going to show you how to get started with no upfront costs. You'll learn exactly what types of products to sell, how to create them quickly, and how to start earning consistent passive income. So let's dive in. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 different types of digital products that are easy for beginners, explain how much you can make with each one, and show you how to set them up and sell them online in no time. Whether you're tech savvy or a total newbie, these steps will have you earning extra income in no time. All right, number 1 is ebooks. Ebooks are one of the easiest digital products to create to bring in consistent sales. And the best part is you don't have to be a professional writer. You don't even have to really have writing experience. Creating an ebook is actually quite simple. All you need is some knowledge on a topic and to know a little bit more than the people you want to sell the ebook to. It could be about fitness, business, food, travel, relationships, and you can outline, draft, and create your content using AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT to create it in no time. Ebooks typically sell anywhere from $20 to $50 or more. So if you sold just 50 copies of a $40 ebook each month, you're already making $2,000 per month. And it's a product that you create once and you can sell it over and over indefinitely. And again, don't worry if you feel like you're not an expert. You just need to know a little bit more than the person buying the ebook. Think of problems that you've had that you've solved for yourself, or problems that people come to you for questions about, or topics that you're really interested in learning more about. Start small, create value, and you'll see sales roll in no time. Now, I just shared with you one type of digital product, and I'm sharing 4 more throughout this video. But if you want my full list of all 54 different types of digital products, then go ahead and download it for free now in the link in the description below this video. All right, digital product number 2 is templates. Templates are another great digital product idea that's actually one of, if not the fastest digital product to create. And they're super popular because they're mostly done for you when it comes to your customers. All they have to do is open the template and tweak it to their liking. Because let's face it, people are always looking for shortcuts when it comes to business, personal use, creative projects, you name it, people are looking to get it done faster and easier. So you can help people save time and headaches by creating things like social media templates, budget planners, resume templates, or more. And as always, tools like Canva make this so easy, even if you're not a designer. I'm confident that you could learn Canva in a matter of minutes. And the best part is if you make your templates in Canva, they actually give you a share template link that you can share with your purchasers that then opens it as a template in their Canva account. Now, templates sell for $10 or $30 or more. So selling just 100 templates a month for $20, that's $2,000 a month. And all you gotta do is create that template one time. And remember, what makes a digital product sell is solving a problem for someone. So with templates, you are solving the problem of time. And that is why this digital product is a really easy one to sell. All right, digital product number 3 is online courses. Courses are a great way to turn the knowledge you already have into a high ticket item. And the demand for courses has been high for a long time, and it's only growing from here. If you have knowledge in a certain area like photography or marketing, cooking, running, personal development, or more, you could create a course that helps people go from point A to point B and solve whatever problem it is they have. Maybe it's how to run more efficiently. Maybe it's how to meal prep. Maybe it's how to take professional photos on a budget for your family. Whatever the idea is, you can teach it to them in a course, and people will pay based on the result that they're getting. Online courses typically sell for $100, $500, or more. I've seen courses sell for $2,000 plus, depending on the niche and depending on the problem you're solving for them. So if you sell just 10 courses a month at $300 each, that's $3,000 a month. And you just have to create the course once, and again, you can sell it over and over again. Now, unlike templates, courses will take more time to create upfront. However, you can charge more for them and make more money. So it's just up to you which digital product you feel is the best for you to create and sell at this time. All right, we're 3 digital product ideas in, and at this time you might be thinking, but how do I create it and how do I actually sell it? Like, what's the step-by-step? And I have a full, in-depth, on-demand, free training that you can snag your seat to right now by clicking and registering in the first link in the description below this video. All right, digital product number 4 is printables. Printables are typically underrated, but super powerful. Printables are digital downloads like planners, to-do lists, habit trackers, and more that people can print at home so that they physically have a copy that they can write on and use. Printables are easy to make when you have software like Canva. And as always, Canva has a free tier for you to use. And again, remember, digital products sell when they solve a problem. So if you're going to be able to help someone lose weight by tracking their habits, or save time by having to-do lists, or save money by having a budget tracker, people are willing to pay for those printables. Printables can sell for $5, $15 or more. So if you sold 200 printables a month for $10 each, that's $2,000 a month. And because they're so easy to create, you can easily sell multiple printables on your website. All right, digital product number 5 is audio files. Audio files like guided meditations or positive affirmations are perfect if you have information you want to deliver through audio. With just your phone, you can literally record audio with the built-in audio recording feature or a software like Audacity. You can record these audio files and then host them somewhere like Google Drive so that people can purchase them and listen to them whenever it's best for them. You can also use something like Hello Audio to take that audio file and host it as a private podcast. That way, when someone buys the audio file, they'll be able to access it just like any other podcast. They'll just have to put in a password to make sure that only people who purchased it have access to it. Audio files can sell anywhere from $15 to $30 to $100 or more. As always, it just depends on the problem you're solving. So if you sold 100 audio digital products at $20 each, you know the math, that's 2,000 bucks. So if you would much rather record your voice than say maybe be on camera, then audio files might be the perfect digital product for you. So which digital product idea from this video was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below and I will respond to every single one. So there you have it. Ebooks, templates, courses, printables, and more. These are all simple ways that you can get started creating and selling digital products online for consistent passive income. But as always, the key is to start now. To actually start. So if you've been watching videos like these over and over, but you haven't taken action, ask yourself why. It's never been easier or more affordable to get started creating and selling digital products. So I want you to commit now. Go in the comments, comment the digital product that you want to create. And again, I will respond to every single one. Now that you know how to make $2,787 a month or more creating and selling digital products online, you might be wanting to learn my one strategy that brought me over $8 million in digital product revenue sales to date. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.